Porque si no, no hay quien los levante en la mañana.
Ay, corto, yo le tremo, no, que te para dormir, no, claro. Me están diciendo que los ciclistas, lo usan ni hacía nada en la casa, yo solo lo cuidaba él. Porque mi suegra esta cosa que no se ve.
Gonna do a little before. Okay guys, so now she's gonna boil my hair. Boiling hot water. What? I think I look cute. I think I look mad cute. Do you guys like the way Ellie did my hair? She did such an amazing job. Look at how cute. I got mine done this time with blonde hair extensions. If you're looking for an amazing braider in Miami, I feel like a bad bitch thanks to her. Look at that. Look how cute. Look at it. Are you seeing this? I don't know. I just wanted something minimal. So I got the evil eye because the haters, all the bad energy, because we don't need none of that.
Oh my god. Bitch, your brows had potential.
Who is she? I'm gonna fix my hair when I get home, but like, this is bomb. Thank you so much. God, you did that. You did that.
1 hour later.
Guys, so I just got home. I'm gonna go inside in just a minute, but I wanted to talk to you guys because look at this. Look how beautiful her work is. Like, I feel like a brand new bitch. I've never had my eyebrows tinted, and she completely executed the job.
Incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
Like, I love it. I love it. I love it.
I love it!
I feel so cute. Let's go. Oh, no, I need a selfie here. I'm sorry. Absolutely not. I can't miss this opportunity. I'll be right back. My neighbors were probably watching me take a selfie, but I could care less. Hey, boo. Who are you barking at? Who are you barking? I know. I know. I look different.
Hello.
I love it.
Se te, lo que pasa es que se te ve el ojo muy oscuro. No, I mean, como tienes muchos pelos aquí y tienes esto ahorita, pero me imagino que está ahorita muy oscuro porque están recién hechos.
I love them. I look bomb. I love them. Aquí, en la hamaca. Just chilling. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut to the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Y'all are real ones. Y'all are real ones. Why did I do that? You guys want to hear a funny story? Okay, so I don't know where I'm pointing at. You see that window right there? That's my mom's bathroom window.
Are you kidding me? Eso no lo puedes sacar.
And we were out here chilling. I was out here chilling. All of a sudden, we hear our neighbors calling us. You want to know what they told us? That this whole time, our entire neighborhood could see us butt naked. Because we thought they couldn't see from the outside, because you can't see the outside from the inside, so we didn't think that was going to be the case, vice versa. But
Bad news.
but that was not the case. We're living in a comedy movie. You should have seen my mom's face. It was as red as a tomato. So yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning into this week's video. I can't thank you guys enough for supporting me and my channel. I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna keep the grind going, and hopefully you guys grow with me on this journey. So like this video, comment your favorite parts. I love you. I love you. Stay blessed. Wear your mask. And be kind. Okay?